In a faraway valley hidden between glowing mountains, there was a small village named Nurabad. Life there was simple but tough. Crops often failed, rains came late, and many villagers had forgotten how to dream. Among them lived a young boy named Aman. He had big dreams in his heart, but fear in his mind. Every time he thought of doing something new, a voice inside him whispered, "You are too small, too weak, too ordinary." One evening, as Aman sat near the river, feeling lost, he heard a soft song, sweet and powerful, like hope itself. Following the melody, he discovered a tiny bird perched on a rock. But this was no ordinary bird. Its feathers shimmered in the colors of the rainbow, and its eyes sparkled like stars. The bird spoke. "Why do you look so sad, little one?" Aman, surprised but too tired to question magic, poured out his heart. "I want to do big things, but I am not special. Everyone else is better." The magical bird smiled warmly. "You don't have to be the biggest or the strongest. You only have to believe in the light inside you." It plucked a glowing feather from its wing and placed it in Aman's hand. "Whenever you doubt yourself, hold this feather. It will remind you of your strength." The next day, Aman woke up different. He started small, helping an old man repair his roof, teaching young children to read under the banyan tree, organizing water from a distant spring for the dry fields. One by one, his actions lit a spark in the hearts of the villagers. Months passed, and Nurabad began to bloom. People who once gave up started planting seeds again, building homes, and dreaming bigger. And all along, Aman kept the magical feather close, not for its power, but to remember he had always been enough. Years later, Aman stood on a hill overlooking a lively, happy village. He smiled, touched the feather around his neck, and looked up at the sky. There, for just a second, he saw the magical bird soaring high, singing the same beautiful song. Aman realized that the real magic was not in the bird's feather, it was in believing in yourself, even when the world forgets how.